Once I saw a little bird poem. Once I saw a little bird. New words. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Bird means paravai. Hop. H-O-P. Hop. Kudital. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Nil. Tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. Wall. Window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. Channel. So a little bird, come hop, hop, hop. Once I saw a little bird, come hop, hop, hop. I cry, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I cry, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Going to the window, I was going to the window to say how do you do. Suki's little child, he flew, he flew. Suki's little child, away he flew. Let's read. The bird flies out of the window. The bird flies out of the window. We must stop cutting trees. We must stop cutting trees. What did the child see? The child saw a little bird. What was the little bird doing? The little bird shook his little tail and flew away. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Thank you.